Want to clean up your Google Calendar? It's easy to delete individual events or entire calendars. For a single event, just click on it and hit the trash icon. To delete a whole calendar on the web, hover over its name, click the three dots, go to Settings and Sharing, and then Remove Calendar. In the mobile app, open the event or go to the calendar settings and tap Delete. Remember, deleting is permanent. There's no undo button. Before deleting anything, back up your data. Export your calendar as a CSV or ICS file through the Settings menu. If you're deleting a shared calendar, keep in mind that only the owner can do this, and collaborators will be notified. If you just want to remove yourself from a shared calendar that you don't own, simply unsubscribe from it. Be aware that after deletion, Google purges the data after 30 days. Always double-check you have a backup before permanently deleting calendars or events. Use two-factor authentication for shared calendars before deleting them for added security.